Hello, I'm Spencer, Finance and Protection Consultant here at Audi Kitchener-Waterloo. Window tinting is more than a finishing touch. It's about elevating your driving experience with greater comfort and protection. That's why we offer XPEL Prime Window Tint. Installed by trusted professionals, this premium film blocks more than 99% of harmful UV rays, helping to protect you, your passengers, and your Audi's interior from long-term damage. Its advanced heat rejection technology keeps the cabin cooler on warm days while reducing glare so you can enjoy clearer visibility and a safer drive. XPEL Prime is also fully signal friendly, so you never have to worry about interference with your GPS, mobile devices, or your Audi's electronics. And with fade-resistant color stability, the finish maintains its clean, sophisticated appearance for years to come. Every installation is backed by a limited lifetime transferable warranty, giving you complete confidence that your Audi will continue to look and perform at its best. For more information on XPEL Prime Window Tint or any of our protection products, visit us at audikw.com or speak with one of our team today.